Lawns may seem simple, but it's actually a delicate monoculture, thousands of individual plants competing for the same resources. Like an iceberg, what you see on the surface is only a small part of the picture. Beneath lies an extensive root network that drives the lawn's health, strength and colour. The right nutrients can make all the difference in supporting this underground system. And that's exactly where Sudden Impact for Lawns comes in. Sudden Impact for Lawns is an organic-based, nutritionally boosted fertiliser specifically designed for new and established lawns. It's also perfect for non-flowering plants like hedges, herbs, leafy greens, conifers and palms. Sudden Impact for Lawns can be applied to established lawns every 8 to 10 weeks from spring to autumn. Start by watering the area, then apply roughly 100 grams per square metre by scattering the granules. You can do this by hand, with a shovel, or even a spreader if you have a large enough area to cover. To finish, give the lawn a good water to encourage the granules to move into the lawn's canopy and closer to the soil. Sudden Impact for Lawns is a dual-purpose fertiliser coated with Nutrog's advanced soil biological, Populate. Together, they provide a full range of nutrients from the Sudden Impact for Lawns granules with a diversity of beneficial bacteria and fungi from Populate. This then feeds the lawn while also providing specific functional microbes to protect and enhance plant health and build resilience against disease. Visit the Nutrog website for more information or call into your local garden centre to shop the Nutrog range.